Hi mathematicians, in this video we are going to continue finding the least common multiple for two numbers at a time. And the first thing we need to know is exactly what those multiples are, right? So I'm going to start with the 9. So because 9 times 1 is 9, 9 is a multiple. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times 6 is 54. So I'll stop there for now and see whether or not that's going to be enough. So first of all, those are the different multiples of 9. Okay. And now let's do 15. So 15 times 1 is going to be 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 4 is, oh, actually I can stop, can't I? I don't even need to go any farther because here is one that they have in common. So problem number 1, the least common multiple is 45. So that's the one they have in common. Okay, number 2, I'm going to start again by doing those multiples. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times 6 is 54. So let's see if we've got enough there. So if I do 6 times 1, of course that is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. There is that common multiple that we need that shows up in both lists. So we should have 36 for problem number 2. Last but not least, moving on to problem number 3. So we need to get some multiples first. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. So let's see if that's going to be enough. So 20 times 1 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. 20 times, oh, and actually I can stop, right? Don't even need to go any farther because we've got 40 and 40. So that means the answer for number 3 should be 40 for the least common multiple.